Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, African Fashion and Styles. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on short summer gown with turtleneck. This is what I will be working on today. Short summer gown with turtleneck. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do and hit the notification bell for new videos. You can also like, share and leave your comment on the comment section. So let's get straight to business. Okay, so on this tutorial I will be using two types of fabrics. For the turtleneck and for the round sleeve toning, I will be using this Ankara fabric. So what we have to do first is to take the length of the gown, and the length for this short summer gown is 58. Okay, 58 plus 2 inches seam allowance. The length is okay. So we are going to take the shoulder. The shoulder is 17 inches. Plus a half inch seam allowance, which is 18, divide by 2, then you have 9. You divide 18 by 2, you have 9. So you take the armhole. For this armhole, I will be using 8 for the armhole. And for the bust point, I will be using 10 for the bust point. And for the waistline, I will be using 17 for the waistline. So let's mark out the lines first. These are the basic lines. These lines are very important. You get the lines first, then you take the bust measurement, and the bust measurement for this summer gown is 56. You divide 56 by 4, then you have 14 inches. 14. You have 14 inches plus a seam allowance. That's it. And the waist is 50. You divide by 4, then you have 12.5 plus seam allowance, because this gown is a free summer gown. So what we are going to do next is to take our armhole. The armhole. Remember, you slant the shoulder with 1 inch. 1 inch for the shoulder slant. Must slant the shoulder, 1 inch for the shoulder slant. Connect my armhole. Okay. So for the neck of the turtleneck, we will be using 3.5 for the depth, and I will be using 4 for the neck. So you connect your shoulder line, your up bust, your bust point, and your waistline. So after that, remember this one is a free gown, turtleneck free gown. You cut out. So after that, you cut out Remember I said it's a free summer gown. Okay, so these are the first key lines: your waistline, your bust point, your upper bust, and your shoulder slant. So what we are going to do next is to cut the front neck. So you remove the other part, one part, and then cut out the front neck. The sleeve for this the sleeve length is 14 and the round sleeve is 16. First, you take your armhole. Remember, we use 8. We use 8 for the armhole, okay? There you mark. Plus seam allowance. You chalk, okay? And your round sleeve is 16. We are using 9. So that's it for the sleeve. We are going to start with the sleeve. Okay, this is the front. Remember I said we'll be using 2 fabrics. It's as simple as that. You cut out the fabric 4 inches, you fold into 2, iron smoothly. You see, that's it. You sew and turn it to the front side. You sew, you pin, you sew, then turn it to the front side. That's for the sleeve. The same thing you do to the other sleeve. Then for the turtleneck, this is where we are going to work on the front cut. For the front cut, I will be using 9 for the front slit. using knife for the front slit. This is what you do. You pin, you sew, and then you turn it out. You pin together, you sew it down, then bring it out. You see, we all have different ways of sewing. Some we prefer to match it like that of a main top. You pin it, you sew it in, then you turn it out. Same thing on the other side. This is how you get the lap. So that's how you get the front lap. This is how you get the front lap. So what we are going to do next is you join the two shoulder and then fix your band. Before you fix your band, what you do is you open, you sew it in, then you turn out before you fix your band. Just like something of this nature. Before you fix the band. So now that we are going to fix the band, we are now going to open the neck. And then fix. You see, my tutorial basically is on cutting, okay? And then show you parts of the sewing. So you just make it round. So you pin round and sew. So let's see the outcome of our It's as simple as that. You follow this tutorial step by step. So that's all for today on our summer gown short dress with turtleneck. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you.